This is St. Williams, Educational Technology Coach for Beaufort County School District. In this video, I'll be showing parents how to help their students log in and log reading for our virtual summer reading challenge. First thing that you'll need to do is visit the website www.biblionasium.com. You can do this on a home computer, public library computer, or even your telephone. You'll just need to open the browser and type in the website. When you're there, click Log In with Biblionasium. Your student will need to log in under the Students Login section by using their network username and password. This is also the same username and password they use to log into their devices or to log into Compass. It will usually be their first name, middle initial, last initial, and 4-digit birthday, and then a password that consists of 5 digits and their initials. Once they type in their username and password, click Login. Once you log in, if you have the hints showing, you can just click Log Your Reading. If you don't have that pop up, look toward the left of the page and click on Reading Log. To add to your reading log, click Add to My Reading Log, the green button. Click on Date, select the date from the calendar. You can log reading from previous days, so if you're catching up, that's not a problem. You can also put in multiple entries on one day if you've read multiple books. So once the date's selected, you're going to go down here where it says Select Other Reading Material. If the child has read any of these types of text, you can click on that. Otherwise, if it's a book, click Other. Type in the name of the book right here. In the comments section is where we're going to put the author. You're not required to put the number of pages, though you certainly can enter that in. And then you're going to need to enter the number of minutes. So remember that our younger students are reading about 20 minutes a day, and our older students are reading about 30 minutes a day. You can check in with us to get the specifics on those requirements. Once you put the number of minutes, you'll click Save. Unless the student has finished the book, then you want to click I have finished this book and hit Save. And then you can go right back in to add another entry if you want to, or you can sign out if you're done. Hope this video helps you help your student log their reading for our virtual summer reading challenge. If not, please get in touch with us on the Facebook group or email me directly at sd.williams@beaufort.k12.sc.us. Have a great summer reading with us.